What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. Thank y'all very much for tuning in on the big Thanksgiving Eve. We got a couple cryptos running tonight. We're going to talk about starting off Avax, starting to move up 8.53% off the night already, starting to make some pretty big candles moving in. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that up here on the chart. Let me get the music set up. Let's do a quick mic check, man. Let me know if y'all can hear me good. And then we'll be rocking, man. Hey, Mr. Rick, how you doing? Keller C saying, hey, Roundtable Trading, what's up, man? Good to see you in the chat again, man. I was looking for your live stream earlier. I didn't see if you were on or not. What's up, Dr. GTI? Yes, sir. Re-upped my Slap Your Mama Spice. Get ready, man. Slap it on everything for this Thanksgiving, man. What's up, Critter? Good to see you, man. One shot. Let's effing go. Feels like it's Friday rocket time. Hey, man, it is the weekend for us, man. Hope everybody's at home chilling with their family, enjoying their time. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving, man. Thank you very much for tuning in on a Thanksgiving Eve live stream, guys. So really, really appreciate that. What's up, Turbo Fire, man? How you doing, man? How you feeling about your mana? If you load up in that buy zone, man, you're probably feeling pretty good right here. I got, let me pull up TradingView real quick. Get that set up for our mana crypto.com charts. Let's see where mana's at real quick. 477, man. Very good dip buy opportunity if you'd have picked some up. Why do I have so many manas up here? What is going on? Let's check out Sandbox real quick. Just get a price target on it. $7.06. I mean, dude, did we call it or what? Hit a high 802 today, man. Looking very good. Very freaking good. One shot says, hold on, I'm about to buy some more Sandbox, man. You already know what's up, man. That is absolutely rocking. Sandbox is probably going to rock until mid next week. when that update happens. I think it's going to be kind of buy the hype, sell news. We're going to touch base on that news article here on live stream tonight. Talk about Bitcoin. Market is starting to recover right here. Bitcoin 57,675. You know, Doge starting to move back up above 22 cents. But we got Avax absolutely going on a pretty decent little run right here, man. All the way at 124 from 118. So definitely has some volume stepping in on a big Wednesday night. So it's looking a little bit better. We're going to talk about ADA getting delisted off of eToro, which is possibly leading to, you know, a little FUD in the market. But I'm feeling pretty good that we're touching bottom off of ADA right now. We'll do some technical analysis on that. Kind of give you guys an opportunity that I'm looking for when I want to reload the boat on some more ADA, which I'm not going to be selling. I think we're pretty much at bottom right now. And there we go. Shape says I bought some more ADA. Good for you, man. Good for you. That's a very good buy. What's up, T-Lou? How you doing, man? Remember Atlas? I subbed yesterday. It's up 20% and still going. I was in a Twitter space today. Megatron, what's happening, man? I think he was in there. He can vouch for me. I was inquiring how to buy Atlas. One shot, redeeming that one shot. I got some more redeems coming. But just for you guys, I'm going to drop a quick redeem. So I am feeling a little bit better tonight, so I'm going to be rocking for a little while. Let's redeem that family. That fam over here at Mass Market. Thank y'all for tuning in for another episode.
Much for being my friends.
Turbo says, good on Mana, but better on Avax. Hell yeah, brother. I'm glad you're making those tendies, man. What's up, Nola TN? How you doing, man? Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family down there in New Orleans, man. What's up, OMG? LGVN did not stop today. You had a chance when we were looking at this thing the other day to hop on it early. I don't know if you did, but up 25%. And then aftermarket 145%. Absolutely going insane, man. Going insane. And we looked at this the other day when it was really cheap. And it shot to 45 bucks. Don't know why. I still haven't looked at it. But yeah, definitely LGVN. If you were in this, you made some pretty nice tendies. And it's looks beautiful, man. Looks absolutely freaking beautiful. Ended oh no, it was down at 33% aftermarket. That was 25 bucks. It was up today. 145%. Nonetheless, congrats if you were playing that in the stock market.
Thank you,
Mr.
so
Sandbox,
much for being my friends.
No, hey, that's that Bobby Boucher, man. You know I'm from Louisiana. I missed that Sandbox. Had to rewind the chart. Looks sick. Yeah, dude. Sandbox is man. We called it Sunday. It was a hard buy on Sunday, even after it ran up all that all the time it did this year. So hopefully you guys got in on some of that. What's up, Jason? How you doing, man? Token.com 2.4 mana. Hey, what's up, Robin? Whatever. Thank you very much for hitting that subscribe button over here at Mass Market. We also have a $25 super chat coming in from my boy One Shot. Happy Thanksgiving, fellas, to you and your family, Matt. Hey, happy Thanksgiving to you as well, man. Thank you very much for tuning in tonight, my friend. And yeah, guys, it's all about the holidays. Yeah, crypto's moving and everything, but most important part of the freaking holidays is you spend time with your family and having a good time. Very happy to see y'all in the chat tonight. Really am. Okay, let me pull the chat back up. Forgot where I was before I had a cat and a little dude pop up on my screen. Man, I'm going hammer. Yes, sir, it is. What's up, Jonathan K? Keeping it real all day. What's up, Pearl? 165 is good ass price off some ADA. Spit it, man. Atlas and Bidget, pretty sure. Yeah, I need to figure out how to pick up some, man. That's gonna be a hot metaverse stock. Crypto, I'm sorry. I need to learn how to pick me up some. I was looking into it a little bit today, but I was a little busy at work. I sold Crow earlier and bought Avax. Lucky move there. Rick, you did a damn good move there. While I do think Crow is going to continue moving, Avax is definitely working its way back to 130. So, you know, we got 127.26 coming up here shortly. If we can hold this level above 125, looking promising, already up 10%. Mr. Rick is sitting over here double dipping off that Avax, and I'm loving it, man. Making them tendies, dude. Tlu Atlas is definitely going to 40 cents. Yeah, I wouldn't argue it, man. It looks pretty good. I'm going to pull it up here on CoinMarketCap here in a few minutes. We got Dogecoin trending back in the top 10. We got Shiba, man. Shiba hit a pretty good low today. Let's check it out real quick before we go any further. Shiba Inu. Where did it hit? It hit in the threes. 3.5, dude. So that was the dip. That was the freaking dip. You could have made some really nice tendies if you'd have bought that dip right there. I didn't even know it went to 3.5. I saw it in the threes earlier. Shiba, I mean, I would hold off if you didn't buy that dip earlier, see kind of where it's going. But that was the dip buy opportunity right there off of Shiba. Yep, Turbo saying good luck. Hey, looking at Discord. Let me see what you got. What you posted in the Discord. I'll take a quick peek. That's creative. That is creative. And guys, if you're not in our Discord, let me drop this free link real quick. We got 100% free Discord over here at Mass Market. 100% free for free. Make sure you jump in there. Always a bunch of good guys in there, women and men, calling out plays, making tendies. It's always a good time. Oh, that's what's up. Thank you, Nunya. What's up, Nunya? Happy Thanksgiving, Matt. Oh, hey, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family, man. Hopefully, you can have a great day tomorrow, man. Be in a food coma, like I'm probably gonna be. 50% on the day. Price changes up 18.42%. FTX Gate.io. That's where you can pick it up at. All right. So let's talk, guys. We got Sandbox. Sandbox absolutely doing its thing, ripping. Doesn't look like it's ever gonna stop making new all-time highs, but you have an update next week that's going to be pretty big for the platform. I think it's going to be by the Hype Sell News. Let me get the date on that update real quick for you before we move any further, because I don't want to give you any bad information. Let me see. So Sandbox will launch Take the Sand crypto. Hold on. What is this? Where will the Metaverse launch Take the Sand crypto? Let's see. The rise of Metaverse-related assets has a number of key catalysts. Popular Metaverse platform Roblox recently reported blowout earnings, which, you know, One Shot was over here calling that too, man. Where did Roblox end up at real quick before we go any further? Roblox. I spelled that completely wrong. Is up 8% today, up 1.42% in aftermarket hours, but appears to return to normal. We've seen the following pandemic has done little to slow users' interest in Metaverse-inspired games. Chip maker NVIDIA recently announced a shift towards the Metaverse in a version of Investor Day. And who can forget about Facebook's high-profile renaming to Meta Platforms in recent weeks? In short, the Metaverse is red hot right now. Anything in the Metaverse is gonna, make you some pretty good returns. And not just right now, it may cool off for a little while, but this is a great long-term hold, all these Metaverse cryptos and stocks. So the Sandbox has one of the best online blockchain-driven Metaverse games users can play. According, this is a token with tremendous amount of interest right now. Here are some of the top price predictions for Sand crypto as of right now. Coin price forecast projects Sand to hit 26.66 by the end of next year and 81.53 by 2028. Where you sitting? That's, I think that 2066, I think you'll start hitting that, possibly next year, before the end of next year. Government capital provides a 1 year and 5 year price target of $8.92 and $50.42 respectively for Sand. And finally, Wallet Investor provides a slightly more bearish 1 and 5 year $5.81 and $13 respectively. But to be respectful, While an investor, we absolutely crushed your 1 year price prediction. So that's kind of out the wall. So I'm not even going to entertain that. But the update, let me get to that. So an increasing number of people believe the metaverse will have to be the next evolution of the internet, myself included. Their version of a 3D virtual world in which people could work, play, powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and other cutting-edge technologies. While the idea of the metaverse has been around for decades, the thoughts that it could soon come to fruition gained steam after Facebook changed its name to Meta Platforms in October. The social media giant plans to spend as much as $10 billion to develop the metaverse building technology. Since that time, investors have sought ways to profit from the exciting developments. Decentraland is one of the leading virtual environments. Users can create scenes, structures, and other attractions of digital real estate. They can also buy and trade goods on digital marketplaces. To do so, they exchange Mana, the native token of Decentraland's virtual world. On Tuesday, a virtual plot of real estate in Decentraland sold for a whopping $2.4 million. Wow. Yeah, that is a whopping $2.4 million. The sale helped to boost the excitement for digital real estate among investors. It also helped to drive up the price of Mana, as well as metaverse related tokens like Sandbox and Sand. So what now, guys? Excitement is also building for Sandbox Alpha. The multi-week event is slated to begin November 29th. That's the date that we have to keep on our radar. As Buy the Hype, Sell the News, I think we're good in the green to run until November 29th. That is honestly what I'm thinking. I think you'll start seeing around $10. I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative than some people right now, but I'm thinking $9-10 is where we end up at on Sandbox before 29th. Players will have to enter the Sandbox metaverse for the first time and earn rewards such as Sand tokens and exclusive NFTs. So let's see, November 29th, guys. After all that's said and done, hopefully you learn a little bit about the metaverse right there. But November 29th is the day that's looking like Buy the Hype, Sell the News. So just be on the lookout for it. Let me see. Another whale bought 124 million in Shiba. Interesting. Usually when the whales start buying it up, man, it usually goes on a pretty good run. So, I mean, when you hit that 35, dude, I mean, you rocketed back up. You're up 10% today. A lot different from yesterday. I mean, a lot more green on the screen. XRP and Polkadot, they're always two in tandem. They're both red on the day. I'm not worried about it in the least bit. I see Jason saying I bought 200 more Doge today. Hopefully you bought it a little bit lower. You're up 1% already. If you did, man, I'm not against Doge. I like it. I love it, actually. It will have its time. What's up, Tree City West? I remember you, man. How you been? Yes, Doge is at a very good price, my man. Chris Bug, what's happening, man? Says I got sand at 33 cents. Hopefully you got a whole sand box full of sand at 33 cents, man. Hopefully you're sitting tight. Hey, get into FTM. Could have a $1 plus swing coming soon. 100K volume is up at 100K on KuCoin app. Let's see what FTM is. I bought some the other day at 180. Let's see how that did. I did not look at FTM coin price today. 263. So damn good returns. Even when the market's red over here, man, we got such a great group of guys, a great community that we're actually making money in these red markets. So if you're not subscribed, if you're not joining our Discord, make sure to do so, man. We're making some pretty good tennies off these red days. So as of right now, man, FTM doesn't look like it's gonna stop either. It is just on fire, dude. On freaking fire. The 1 month is still ripping back up. You know, we might start to hit some resistance around 270, and then right after that, you know, 294 to $3. So that's what I'm thinking here in the short term. Might happen tomorrow into Friday if we see some pretty good pumps. I'm interested to see what Thanksgiving does for crypto tomorrow. You know, a lot of people are gonna be chilling at home. They'll be watching their crypto. They will. I'm super excited to see what happens this week coming up, because, you know, a repeat of 2017 would put Bitcoin price rocketing like it did in 17 from 8,000 to 20,000. If we do see a repeat, which would be eerily similar, it would just be, you know, deja vu all over again, guys, in the market. So let's see. Gala OMG is calling out Gala. Let's see where it's at. I saw it was moving pretty good. I just didn't play Gala, guys. You know, you can't play them all, but Gala looks very good right here, sitting at 53 cents, up 26.67% on the day. Probably another one that's going to continue to climb up. As of right now, you know, you bust in some new all-time highs. I can see a little retracement and then start working your way towards 60 cents until I see a fallout on this thing. I'll remain super bullish on it. The chart looks really good. Volume is up almost 200% today. So definitely volume stepping in. Price change is reflecting that. Gala looking very good. Wasn't Anchor down pretty good the other day? Let's see where Anchor crypto ended up at. All the people in the chat that have Anchor is currently at 12 cents, so it's down a little bit. Nothing really happening over there. VeChain, I think, was at another good buying opportunity. 12 cents, you know, down almost a little over 0.5% today, so not too bad. Catch back up with the chat real quick. Jonathan says, having trouble verifying account I set up on KuCoin, trying to watch videos. I'll tell you what, Jonathan K, man, as soon as I get off this live stream, man, I will hit you up in Discord. You're Spearum, correct? Just let me know in the chat. I'll reach out to you, man. We'll fix it. I hope you get out that little predicament you're in. We'll get it straight, my man. Our Disco Burn token project has its first buy and burn on December 1st. We will be live in Las Vegas next week. The 5 BSC project. Cool, man. I have not checked it out since the last time you've been in here. Disco Burn token. You're on Coin Market Cap, man. You got listed at 1 cent. This is what I'm seeing. You got listed at 1 cent. You shot up to 14. So you 14 extra money. Someone probably sold a good bit. You're sitting at 5 cents, and you're working your way back up to 7, but you're down 4% today. I'm gonna keep an eye on this tree. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, man. From what it looks like, let's see what day this was. This was on November 1st. Hey, you're doing good so far, man. Keep up the good work, man. Hope it works out for you. H-Bar is a sleeping giant, Pearl says. Where's H-Bar at, man? Where's H-Bar crypto? Find this thing. 34 cents, down 2%, almost 3% today. 7 day, you've just been getting beat down, man. Not really pulling out of the rut you're in. You broke support off a double bottom, and you're heading down off the monthly. How much lower could you go? I'm thinking 32 cents. Possible bounce opportunity. So, like, if I'm looking to pick up some H-Bar, it's gonna be around 32 cents, man. 30 to 32. Mr. Psycho Pearl. See. Check out OCUP. What's going on over here at OCUP? Check that out for OMG. Up 18% today, $4.13. I'm sorry. 422 aftermarket hours, up a little bit. Beautiful bull flag. You broke to the downside, so I think a bounce off that 200 if you're in this thing. $3.93. where you could potentially head if you continue seeing some sell-off. So check the 4-hour chart. Yeah, you're trading underneath that 200. So you saw a big pump. Maybe bounce off that 50 off the 4-hour, which is at $4. You got pretty strong support. Here goes Avax, man. Avax starting to rip up right here. 126.64. Looking like it wants to go retest at 127 right here. Let's see what happens. No, I got you, Tree City West, man. But you know, when people come in here and you know, they drop their projects and it's one of those ones listed on Pancake Swap, you know, people can take a little shillish. You know, I'm not saying that at all, my man. I'm just watching it to see if it's not a rug pull. Not to say I don't trust you, but be quite honest with you, man. We're on the internet and I don't know you, but I wish you the best, man. Hopefully y'all have a solid freaking project going over there. And, you know, I will keep it. It's going on my watch list, dude. I will keep up with your project, man. And, you know, give it some time, man. I'll start throwing some at it. So really appreciate you coming in here, man. You know, always popping in and out. So 148K Shiba mine. There you go, OMG. Stack up that Shiba. I think Nola says, I think tomorrow will be a green day. Everyone will be getting together, bucking each other up, showing off their portfolios. MFers will be FOMOing into Sandbox and the Crow. Let's see if we can get Crow over $1, man. Did it happen? I don't think so. Let's check out what TradingView has to say on Crow. $0.99, man. So we called it the other day, going to $1. It did not hit a freaking dollar. So if this thing falls out from right here, I was 100% wrong. But I got you close. I can bring the horse to the water, but you know what I'm saying. I think it's gonna rip up here. You know, pull back, come up, and then break up. So pull back, came up a little bit. Let's see what happens. That's been the trend with Crow. It had to cool off a little bit, so just be aware of it. I think it's going well past $1 into the future, man. I think you're looking at it kind of like a BNB was back in the day when you could have picked it up super cheap. So who's redeeming that Bitcoin? One shot, boy. Redeeming that Bitcoin. I got you, Jonathan K. I'm gonna help you out as soon as I get off of here. I missed out on Gala, Sandbox, but Avax and Crow are doing me well. Hell yeah, Tree City West, man. I'm glad to hear that, man. Hopefully that Disco Burn token is doing well for you too, man. Yeah, what's up, NS? Green Knight finally, man. You know, across the board, DOT and XRP are kind of, you know, being the weird ones at the party tonight, but they're gonna start growing here shortly, man. Gala will grow. It's charging up for another explosion. The volume is crazy. Man, that makes me want to buy some. Just hearing that, I don't know why. That makes me want to buy some Gala, just because I missed it and I'm kind of mad at myself for it. But you know, you can't play them all. We played FTM, we played Sandbox, we played Mana, we played Crow. I mean, dude, we've been killing it. We've been absolutely killing it. When is a good long-term Crow investment price? As of right now, what's up, Trent? First and foremost, man, welcome to Matt's Market. If you've been in here before, I'm sorry, man. I'm starting to get you know, a bunch of names in here, so I start to forget who's subscribed or not. But if you're not, man, hit that subscribe button for us. Let's check it out, man. So right here, you got pretty decent support. You got really decent support of 85 and 88. You're currently trading at 87. I mean, anything underneath $1 to me is great for Crow. Crow's gonna be extremely much higher in the next couple years, man. It's got everything going for it. It's got possibly the biggest freaking endorsement ever out of cryptocurrency, is renaming the Staples Center Crypto.com. Like, that is huge, man. And I don't think everybody's realizing it just quite yet about how big that's actually gonna be until, you know, the NBA games start kicking off and everything, dude. It's gonna be big, man. It's gonna be freaking big. Thank you, Jonathan K. I have LGVN at $8. I will tell you this, OMG, straight up as a friend, I would probably look to offload my LGBN. Just being honest with you. But do you know what you're doing? Make you them tendies, man. Make you them freaking tendies. H-bar is only a sleeping giant if Bitcoin hits over 9,800K. Which we're waiting on. I'm telling you, 2017, it ran from 8,000 to 20,000 the week after Thanksgiving. Let's see if we can make it happen. That was so freaking weird. So weird. Jizzy says, I crow. Jizzy, we got to clap for you, my man. You learned how to take some freaking profits, dude. Jizzy's one of my friends, man. I actually work with him. It's so hard to take profits, man. It really is. Congrats, dude. Congrats. Wow, if you're not in the green, you are somewhat into the wrong coins. Just saying. Yeah, I mean, dude, you got to start somewhere. You know, everybody usually starts in the red, too. You just have to, you know, kind of get the idea that it's okay to be in the red, you know? If you got the long-term mentality, you know, that's it, man. Do you have an NBA team you support? Trent, 100%, my man. I support the Pelicans. I'm from Louisiana. But I do like the Timberwolves. I like the Bucks. You know, I like the Lakers. I do. But nah, Pelicans all the way, man. Just my home state. I got to rep. Got to rep for the home state, man. OMG says, I've took profits plenty, but still have some in it. That is a smart way. I feel a lot better for you, OMG. But nice shot on that. Really nice shot on that. I'm glad you're making some tendies over there. Let me see this real quick. Let me pull this down. Okay, so let me get to this real quick. Avax starting to pump, hitting at 127.08, getting rejected, but it's going to break it soon, probably the next few minutes. So real quick, Bitcoin, Ether rise while Dogecoin, Shiba, Inu slip. This must be it. This article got, someone wrote this before this 35 rip up. So I'm not even going to read this shit. It's short. We'll read it. Let's see. Cryptocurrency prices today surged with Bitcoin trading above the 57,000 mark. The world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency was trading 57,714, and pretty much right where it's at right now, up 1%. Bitcoin had recently hit a record high of around 69,000, and it's up over 98% this year to date. YTD so far, global crypto market cap surged slightly at 2.7 trillion, as per CoinGecko. After this article, I want to check the global market cap real quick too. You know, as we approach that 3 trillion mark, that's going to be a big level. So, India's latest update on probation of private cryptocurrencies did not go well with the Indian crypto investors. We saw a panic selling across INR markets, leading to a nosedive in the prices of major crypto tokens. Bitcoin saw a marginally correction, which is still hovering over the 56-57 mark. This week time frame, the BTC trend showed the chart transversing within the ascending channel pattern with a key support at 53,000. We kind of talked about 54, and where did we actually hit? Let's go back and see this. The absolute low was 55, so we never saw that 54 that we were talking about yet. Do I think it's happening? I think we're in the clear. I think we're due for a pretty good little pump here back in the 60s. I think the market's turning around here. I think we're kind of getting a little confirmation. Let's throw up that Litecoin. I didn't even have Litecoin on there. I'm slipping. All right. Ether, the coin linked to Ethereum blockchain and the second largest cryptocurrency, also gained more than 1%, 4,323. Pretty close to where, you know, at the time of this writing. Ether price has been trading around all-time highs, catching up with Bitcoin's rally and riding on news of wider blockchain adoption. Here we go. Dogecoin price slipped over 2% to 21 cents, where Shiba Inu plunged 3% to the 4 range, as per CoinDesk. The performance of other cryptocurrencies like XRP and Polkadot, boom and boom right here. Uniswap, Stellar, Cardano, Solana were all trending with cuts over the last 24 hours, whereas Litecoin, Polygon gained. So as you can see, Matic pretty much popping. Litecoin making some pretty good moves today, up 3.4%. So congrats for everybody over here that was buying Litecoin pretty cheap. It's starting to move. Bitcoin has more than doubled this year, while Ether's up about sixfold. Both scaled records recently amid a digital assets driven by speculative demand of controversial arguments that can hedge inflation risk. So pretty much that's what they're calling for in here, but you know, it's all BS. We all know what the deal is. Cryptocurrency is the future, man. So if you're investing like it's the future, it's going to treat you extremely well. Sandbox, Mana, Crow, all that good stuff. Let me open this chat back up real quick. Go Cavs. I got you, man. Cleveland. That's what's up. What's up, clubbing? LTC holders enter chat to be disappointed. What's happening, clubbing? Feels bad to be a Pelicans fan. It is what it is, my man. LTC holders enter the chat to buy the dip. Dude, every night, like when I'm doing the little, TA on, charts, everybody pops up, always pop up the Litecoin. So I'm gonna start moving the dot around because no one ever comes in here and asks about Polkadot. Even though Polkadot's a good play, Polkadot's gonna start moving soon. PBR, where's PBR at? We gotta see where PBR is at for our boy One Shot over here. PBR crypto, where are we at? Polka Bridge. Down 1% today, but had a pretty good run up on the 24th at 281. Currently trading at 259. So definitely want to have on your radar. Let's see where we at. OMG, the ADA redeem's not working. I gotta fix it. I did make one though. I got an XRP. Let me drop that fam for y'all once again, because we got our family here tonight. It's the eve of Thanksgiving, man. I really appreciate y'all chilling with me. Let's see. Let me turn that down.
Thank you so much for being my friends.
All right, so we got someone coming on here in a few seconds. Let me see. Hold on, give me 1 second. One Shot, I just saw your message, man. I'll give you the horn, no. You gotta get the horn going for our boy. Alright, where we at? What's up, HC2? How you doing, man? Throwing them rockets in the chat, man. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Thank you for tuning in for another episode, man. Avax getting a pretty hard rejection at 127, looking to bounce off that level of support at 125.70. Let's see what happens here. Jonathan K says, you think the fact that hold on. Okay, cool. You think the fact that eToro stopping the buying and selling of ADA and Tron in the coming months will hurt the prices? Didn't give the info why. It was over regulatory concerns. So SEC gonna go after those coins? I don't think so, man. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch, probably put out a separate video just on ADA because it needs some attention right now. ADA's 168. I do think that's, that between where we're at here and 150, that's pretty much bottom. We'll have to see. Let some more information come out on that deal with eToro, and we'll start talking. I'll keep it simple. BTC is running. Everyone knows that. Ethereum runs all low caps and all coins and most gaming coins. To make money on this crypto cycle, you're looking at Ethereum to rip up in volume. 100%. FTM might be my favorite project. Yeah, do you have some, man? I bought some the other night at 180 right before it made a pretty good move, and we're all sitting up from that. Hey, Rick, Mr. Rick in the chat, let me know if you're still holding that Phantom you picked up the other night. We picked it up about the same price. I'm just wondering. I think you're gonna start seeing Crow over $1, man. It did have problems. Look, Crow had a lot of trouble at $1 today. You know, with Thanksgiving tomorrow, it's really hard to say, hey, will it be tomorrow? It could quite possibly be tomorrow, maybe in the Friday. We'll see what happens, man. It is holding up extremely well at these all-time highs. It's a go, man. End of year, I mean, you're looking at what, 5 weeks left. You'll probably be looking at somewhere around $1.25. We'll see what happens. Depending on what happens next week, if Bitcoin explodes like it did in 2017, you're gonna be looking at much higher prices, man. Much freaking higher prices. Check out Hive Token. What you got, OMG? The Hive Token. Let's check it out. Okay, let me give me 1 second. Let me fix this. Hive cryptocurrency is a token of blockchain, and users can trade it numerous exchanges like Binance. There's also a stable coin named HBD in the platform. Let me see what he's talking about. It is $1.80. It is up 31.92% on the day. All-time high. Yep, you had an all-time high right now. It was launched in March of 2020. The volume is up 128% today. Price change is up 33%. And it's a decentralized information sharing network with a accompanying blockchain-based financial ledger built into delegated proof of stake protocol. Hive supports many different types of information sharing applications. Wow, that's pretty interesting, OMG. I would say if you're in it, stick with it. That'd probably be a pretty good hold for long term, right there on Hive Token. That is getting clicked right here. This is on my watch list. My watch list is pretty full. I'm not gonna lie, guys. After all these live streams we've been doing every night, my watch list is getting pretty full. Let me see. I rebalanced my crypto during the dips heavier into Ethereum than ever. Hey, that's what's up, Turbo Fireman. That's what's up. One shot saying, I tell you what, right now, Dot will hit like Avax, Matt. All jokes aside, bro. I'm with you, man. I feel it too. I think Dot's gonna really break $100 this year, and you know, start leveling out somewhere around that 120 range. I do, man. What's up, Gone Postal? Hey, Matthew, Matt Gang. What's happening, my man? GP, the man, the myth, the legend. Good to see you in the chat, my man. Hopefully you're having a great pre-Thanksgiving night. Hope you have a great day tomorrow, man. Really do. Thank you very much for showing up tonight. Check out Nunya. Nunya in here creeping, man. Nunya, you holding some crypto, man? You got some crypto.com coin. What you got, man? You been picking up some crypto with us? Let me know in the chat. Let me get this thing out the way. All right, so next one I kind of want to touch base on. Give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Check out some Engine coin, see what that's doing tonight. Engine is up 6.72%. Another good buy here in the short term, even long term, but short term, I think it's a very good buy. $4.24. The chart off the 1 day, pretty good dips along the way, but nonetheless on a really good ascending level of support here off the weekly. Off the monthly, looking absolutely beautiful. 3 month, beautiful. 1 year, busting all new time highs. Volume is up 40%, so not as much as some of these other cryptos we've been looking at, but the volume is definitely up. Engine coin definitely hot right now. I would look to pick up a couple. It's important to stay diversified because look, right now we're making pretty good profits across the board, and Bitcoin was doing like crap this week. So, very happy we're seeing all these these gains right now when we shouldn't be making gains. So we got a pretty solid community right here, and I'm proud of it, man. I'm proud to be trading with you guys. HC2 says happy Thanksgiving. 100%, man. Nunya says crow holder. Hopefully you got in early, man. Hopefully you're making all the attendees in the world. Hey Nunya, I got a question. Aren't y'all doing the fantasy football show tomorrow? If y'all are, let me know, man. I will do my best. I will be there. But over there at Bulldog Trading, they do a little fantasy football thing on most of the time on Sundays. But make sure to check it out. So XRP sitting at 104. Let me get some redeem XRP, baby. All right, let me grab my boy real quick. Let me grab my boy. We got a little guest tonight. We're going to throw Clown Baby up for a little bit since y'all enjoyed it the other night. I'm going to sit back for a few, get some more information pulled up for y'all so I can bust out some more DD. Give me a second. What's up, Clown Baby? Let me know if you can hear me.
Hey, what's up? Now I can hear you.
You are live on the air with the Mats Market Gang. What's happening, my man? How are you doing tonight?
What is up, everybody? Just got home. Jumping in here. See, we got some green on the screen. It's always good.
Yeah, stuff's looking a lot better, man. I'm thinking, we're kind of getting a little turnaround right here, especially off of Bitcoin, dude. How about your Litecoin? I know you're Litecoin Maxi, so I know you're very happy to see Litecoin sitting around that 219
I don't even know
range.
What it's at right now. I'm just getting. I'm just sitting down. Let's see what it's at.
You got it currently sitting at 219. It is up 3.5%, which is a pretty good move for Litecoin on a daily, man. I'll take a 3% move on Litecoin any day of the week, man.
Awesome. Yeah, I actually bought another one earlier. I bought it at 209 something earlier. So let's go.
Oh, you bought another Litecoin at 209?
Yeah, I'm the Maxi. I gotta load up.
Hell yeah, man.
209. That's right. Bought it at 209. What's up, everybody?
I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm gonna go ahead and end this poll because it's kind of clogging up the screen. I think we hit 40 likes.
What's up, Turbo? What's up, GP? OMG's in here.
Yeah, we got a decent little crowd. Everybody showed up on the eve of Thanksgiving, man. So like it's very cool. 7% of the voting said no, they did not remember to smash the like button, but hopefully they did after that.
Yeah, I just I threw on the stream as I was driving home and picked up a little bit of what you were talking about, and just no market tomorrow, so staying up a little bit later and watching some crypto.
Yeah, as of right now, Avax was pumping, starting to get some sell-off underneath that level. We had a level of support at 125, pretty much 65, so we're falling a little bit down on it, but it had a pretty good run up, man. Clown Baby, I couldn't remember, man. It's hard to keep up with everybody's portfolio over here, but you got Crow, right? You picked up some crypto.com coin, huh?
No, I do not have any Crow. Missed out on that one.
You missed the boat on that?
Yep. But
oh, nothing wrong with that, man.
Yeah, I actually bought some more Graph coin today too. I'm bullish on that one, so Bought
Where's
it
Graph
on
sitting at?
it was at 86 when I bought it, so I don't know what it's at now.
It's 88, man. You're already up 1.2%. So good stuff,
All right,
man.
There we go.
So were you playing any of those Metaverse cryptos with us, like Sandbox, Mana?
No, I could. I don't have KuCoin or whatever, so I couldn't get. I mean, I could have, but just didn't download it. I haven't gotten Sandbox or anything like that, and I don't know. Every time I look at Mana, I feel like I'm late on it. So, I just
Dude,
haven't bought into it.
it just doesn't stop, man. Just freaking doesn't stop. And
Yeah.
honestly, man, I think it has the green light until next week. They have the Sandbox Metaverse update, and I think it has the green light to go into next week. I think it's gonna be sitting around $10 off of Mana. I mean, not Mana, Sandbox, and I think Mana's gonna start hitting that 750 range here shortly, man. That's kind of what I'm
Matic's
feeling
been
about it.
doing good too. Another one that's been doing well, just the last couple of days.
We had what's up, Bear? How you doing, man?
Wow. If you forget who that was who shouted out that CHZ, that Chili's coin or whatever it is. Forget who that was, but
That was Invu.
That's up 22.5% today.
Yeah, they got a couple cryptos up about 20%. Mainly the gaming cryptos and a couple other different ones. So
Yeah. Wow.
they definitely got some
Still
movers.
going.
Hey, Aura Gaming, man,
just
thank you
catching up.
very much for hitting that subscribe button for us, man. If you got any questions, feel free to come up and let me know, man. Let me see
Holding
this.
1,000 crow coins. I'm gonna add more to it. Nice.
The real question though, Pearl, are you staking that crow? You have the crypto.com card. Are you staking it? Jordan. Yeah, man, Tower. So Jordan hopped in here yesterday, was talking about Tower. Let me see where it's at.
Power.
That is up. Wow, dude. No way. No way. I missed the boat on that, man. Hey, good call, dude. That thing is up 77% today. It's at 13 cents. Whoa.
Wow.
Yes. You could throw all the rockets you want in this chat, my man. You called that stuff, bro. Maybe it's 10x in
Nice.
December. Hey, man. That gets a watch list freaking click right now. Boom, baby. That is staying there. It's not moving. Good call, man. Hopefully you're making all the attendees in the world right there. So,
Yeah, new all-time high right now, 14 cents.
dude, he brought that up. He brought that up yesterday, I think.
Yeah, I remember because I said tower power.
Yeah, everybody was saying tower power in the chat, man. Dude, that's what I'm saying. Like, there's so many great plays happening in the market, man. It's just, dude, you start missing them, man. And you can't play them all. You can't play them all. But the ones that we're playing right now, especially, like, I kind of stepped away from the mainstream, and I moved over to Sandbox and Mana when it was cheaper. I got FTM the other night. I did pick up, I didn't hit on all of them. I'm down a little bit off that Jasmine buy I did. I bought back into Jasmine because I'm still super bullish on Jasmine coin long term. Is down another 2% today, so I'm probably in the red off of Jasmine. But the other stuff I bought, such as Phantom, Sandbox. I mean, dude, Crow. I'm up off the rest of those, so like the gains are outweighing the negative right here. Even with my ADA going back down. I don't know if you caught the news today. It got delisted off of eToro. Little FUD going on with ADA.
Saw that.
But I feel like it's hitting close to bottom here. I'm thinking in between here and 150, maybe we kind of tread. Maybe we don't go any lower. But
For ADA.
if you, yeah, on ADA. But like if you're not bullish on
super
ADA,
oversold.
yeah, exactly, man. Like if you're not bullish on ADA, even with the eToro FUD, just ADA's like, wow, it's at a very cheap price again. I never thought we were gonna see 169 getting this cycle, but there it goes, proving me wrong right here. So
The RSI is 34 on the daily for ADA. Super low.
yeah, definitely. Well, hey, here's another thing for all you ADA holders out there. 71% of all ADA available is actually staked. That is a fun fact for ADA right there. You can double check me, but 71% of ADA is actually being staked. So I'm not concerned about it, man. It's a long-term hold. You know, if it ain't gonna play out like we thought just quite yet, you know, if Bitcoin goes on a run, ADA's gonna start moving too. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, that'll bounce back soon. I actually saw, I don't know if Benny's in here, but I saw Benny over on Bulldogs. Or was that? I don't even remember. That might have been last night. I remember Benny said he bought some more ADA. I think that was last night, actually.
Yeah, they had a few people in the chat tonight said they bought some more ADA, which I think was a very good move.
Yeah, I thought it looked good at 188, so 169 is even better.
Yeah, dollar cost average, man. Dollar cost average. OMG says be careful with some of these gaming coins. They pump one day and dump the next. Just saying stop losses are the best. 100%. Always dropping that knowledge. Make sure you trade on a platform that does have a type of stop loss.
Yeah, I like Coinbase Pro. It doesn't have like all the coins, but I don't know. I like Coinbase Pro. I like the platform.
Yeah, me too, man. 100%. Crypto.com, the fees are still a little high. That's a complaint I do have with them. As far as like support for Crypto.com, like they'll answer you immediately. It ain't like Coinbase and Webull and all that stuff. Like take a day or two to get back to resolve your issues. Like if someone's available on the line, they're gonna resolve that within 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's important. That's good.
Yeah,
Coinbase. I've never had to deal with them, but I've heard their customer service is awful.
Yeah, and another thing, not to knock Crow, but you know, I'm investing in the coin, but I'm not gonna really too much trade on their platform because I had some Doge on Crypto.com, and I moved it to you know, I was moving it around. I moved some to Coinbase. Well, whenever you move stuff around, they charge you actually 50 Doge as a fee to move your Doge around. And you know, that was back when Doge was like 45 cents. And you know, that was like $30, man, just to move some Doge around. So, you know, I wasn't happy about that. I think that's still actually in the picture right now. You still have that fee whenever you go to move Doge around. So there's a fee for everything, every crypto on there when you start moving it. So I'm just gonna probably keep Crypto.com to start staking my Crow there, because I truly believe Crow is gonna be one of the biggest exchanges here in the next couple years. You know, I think you'll start seeing much higher prices. You know, I remember watching BNB super cheap. Yeah, that marketing is, you know, they're absolutely killing the marketing game right now, outdoing everybody.
Staples Center acquisition, but they also have a 10-year sponsorship deal with the UFC, and yeah, Crypto.com is on the mat, and all the fighters walk out with the Crypto.com shirts now.
Yep, they're on the 76ers jerseys, man. I mean, they're all over the place, dude. They're absolutely killing the marketing as of right now. Let me see this. Psycho Pearl says I just bought them when they were at 35 cents. Hope they go up somewhere. Oh, you got 1,000 Crow coins at 35 cents.
Hey, yeah, please don't spam the chat. We see it, but
yeah, man, we could see your comment, bro. Bro, which
we can't tell you what to invest in, but you know, there's a whole sea of cryptos out there, but I don't know. We can't suggest anything for you in particular, but I don't know what Matt wants to say to that one.
I can tell you, me personally, if it was me and I was looking to drop $100 into something to hold it for a little while, I would drop it in XRP, man. It's just my personal opinion, man. Hope that helps you, but you know, we can't give you financial advice over here, man. But
yeah, and my favorite coin is Litecoin, so I like Litecoin and Bitcoin. Those are my two favorites.
Hey, you can get you almost a half a Litecoin for $100. Sometimes I use MEXC, but not often. I use KuCoin and Crypto App mostly.
Yep, I used that $100 I won on DraftKings the other day to put towards my extra Litecoin today.
GP's having that moderator pew pew. Hey, but moderators, do your thing, man. That's all on y'all. So Clown Baby, you here to chill for a little bit?
Yeah, it's Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'm not really doing too much. My family's on the other side of the country, so I don't have any plans for tomorrow. So yeah, I can hang out on here for a little bit.
I got you. And
I can look over some. I don't know if you've gotten to this yet, but I could look over some of the mining stocks too. Go over what they did today, and because I'm big into those.
Yeah, most definitely, man. I did not actually touch base on the crypto mining stocks.
Cool.
These says sorry for spamming. Hey, it is all good, my friend. It is all good, man. Welcome to the family, man. Hopefully you consider hitting that subscribe button for us, man.
That dude's just used to channels. I know what he's used to. He's used to going on channels and he gets his comment ignored. We read your comments.
It's all good,
here,
man.
Don't worry.
Real quick, Trent says, could you possibly see Crow dipping to around 75 cents? Let me pull it up here on TradingView real quick.
Hey, what's up, Rick? Rick Cogswell in the building.
75 cents on Crow, man. You know, it's possible. It is 100% possible. Will you see it? I think you're kind of getting this dip point right here around 85. You're at 86 right now. I think you bounce at 85 and start working your way back up. It's just kind of weird tonight asking me that with Thanksgiving going on tomorrow. I don't know if it might sell off a little bit more or it might have a good little run up. Me personally, like, I'm a bull, so I'm kind of hoping we break that $1 mark tomorrow. But I'm looking for an 83 to 85 cent bounce play. So if you're asking because...
Really interesting.
Yeah, it will be, man. 100% it'll be super freaking interesting. And I don't know, Trent, if you're asking because you missed the run up on Crow and just trying to get in for the best, cheapest price. But if you did, man, and you're a little bit worried about it, like say you got $300 to invest in it, just throwing this out there, like me personally, I'll throw $75 in tonight. You know, if it dips a little bit more tomorrow, I'll throw, you know, another $75 and just dollar cost average into your play. That way, you know, you're never getting stuck. You can, you know, average down and get out pretty clean. So best of luck to you, man. But Clown Baby, I'm going to step off for a few, man. I know the people been wanting you back on here, so I'm going to give you a few, little while to hang out with them. And I'll be back here shortly, man.
Cool. Sounds good to me.
All right, well, let me know if you need some, man. I'll be in the background, guys. I will be back here in about 20 minutes. I'll give Clown Baby a little time on the mic. So if y'all need me, I'll be back here shortly.
Cool. All right. I'm solo again, guys. Here I am on my own again. Do my best. Yeah, something we could look over here today. I know some of you guys are in some of the crypto mining plays. That's sort of the main chunk of my portfolio right now is crypto mining plays, so we can look over some of those. We'll start with Hut. I know a few people are in here are in Hut. OMG's in that. I know she brought that play to Matt's channel in the Discord before I was even around, so OMG's been on that. All right, HUD 8 mining was actually down on the day, but then it finished up 1.44% in the after hours. It's at 1270. So I don't know. To me, that looks like it's due for a good bounce. I have some calls on HUT for December 17th, $15 strike. Hopefully that can have a big bounce next week and get into the money. Let's check out Riot. What did Riot do today? Riot was up 2.41%, then another 1.08% after hours. Mara was up 0.5% and another almost 1% in the after hours. Mara's still down a lot from that news that came out last week or 2 weeks ago, whenever it was. All right, now we'll go to Bitfarms. That's my favorite. That's my second biggest holding after AMC. That was down 2.36% during the market hours, and then up 3.31% in the after hours. try to catch up with the chat here. And another one I'm in actually now is Clean Spark. I've been following their some of their moves they've been making. They've been loading up on lots of Bitcoin miners. So I'm in Clean Spark now. It's a new position of mine. $100 to invest. Try XRP, Doge, XLM, not financial advice, just my opinion. Yeah, those are good ones. For me, like just starting out, if I were to just start buying into crypto, like I like the big caps. I mean, even not just starting out, I still like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Doge. Like those are my 4 favorite probably. Clown Town. I'm just going to keep it real. If any of your crypto coins have not yet moved up or moved in the last few weeks, months off, BTC, ETH, you're in the wrong coins. Yeah. What about Doge though? My Doge hasn't done anything. Yeah, Doge. If you go and look at the, I can't pull it up here, but if you guys go and look at the Doge and Ethereum classic charts for the past year, they're almost identical. It's crazy. I noticed that one day. I personally think Crow is going to be more of a long-term hold play than anything. That is just my personal opinion, not financial advice. J. Greg, what up? Yes, BitF gang, Bitfarm gang. That's right. Yeah, Nunya, I like your move that you did on that. Get out of that POS BT, put it into Bitfarms. Good move. All right, let's see. Bitcoin doing here. A little bit of a dip on the 1 minute chart, but still looking good on the 5 minute. Still holding up above this 57.5 level. What is this at? Oh, let's get all these up. All right, Ethereum hanging on at that 4,300 mark. Litecoin. So yeah, a little bit of a dip since I got on, but not much. What's everybody doing tonight? You got plans for Thanksgiving tomorrow? You staying home, or you gotta go out and do the big family get together tomorrow? Personally, my family is on the other side of the country, so I won't be seeing them tomorrow, but I am going home for a few weeks next month to visit for Christmas and New Year's, so that'll be fun. But yeah, I'm from New Hampshire, but I live in Lodi, California now, down the street from Gone Postal, my Lodi neighbor. But yeah, for tomorrow, for me, I'll just be watching crypto. I'll be watching football and eating some food, just hanging out. Yep, that's right, Nunya. Football all day. You guys are doing the show tomorrow still, right? Or I know MIA was going to be on with Birdie for a little bit, but I'm not sure anybody else was coming on. But it'd be cool if you were on there as well, Nunya. I want to add $500 in a crypto for safe and quick game. Any good suggestions? I don't know what to say to that, because I mean, anything can, the direction can change at any moment. You don't really want to think of, like, I know it's only 500, or not, I don't want to say only, but you're not going to get rich off of 500, so don't think of it as like a get rich quick or a double your money overnight type of thing, because yeah, I mean 500. If you think of it in more of a long-term play, 500 could, depending on the play, it could 10x or 20x depending how long you hold. But if you're just trying to like flip something overnight, it doesn't always work out. So my suggestion for that would be, I don't know, do some research and find some solid plays. But a lot of the there's a lot of pump and dump coins, so you got to be careful out there. I don't know, M-Dog, I would suggest personally, if I had $500 and I wanted to make a safe and quick gain, I don't think there's anything that's exactly safe, but I would start dollar cost averaging it into something that you like maybe Ethereum or Bitcoin, you know, one of the big caps, if it's something that you're new to. You don't want to go chasing some shit coin. Anyone here like trading cards? I have a friend who likes trading cards. I don't know anything about that stuff though. I want pumpkin pie and green. You're making me hungry. That sounds good. Football show probably after MM. Oh, okay, cool. I'll be there. Block, I think it will be the new sandbox. Block, yeah,
Thank
I heard
you so
look that
much
one up. I had a
for
friend
being my
talking
friend.
about that one earlier. Friend who knows a lot more about crypto than me. All right, Block. There's actually an ETF as well called Block, and it is full of crypto mining stocks. Yeah, if anybody in here is new to the chat or new to the channel, you could just take a moment to hit like and subscribe. We appreciate that. And yeah, if you'd like, you can join the Discord. It's free. Everything in there is free. We share tons of plays and info, and yeah, it's just a good spot to share information with each other. So check out that Discord. It's all free. Clicked, yeah, see, I went to search for Block, but I clicked on the ETF. Block. There we go. Blocktopia. Who is that? Who said that? Block, I think, will be the next. Oh, okay. Yeah, Josh said that. Are you in that one, Josh? Which blockchain will trading card NFTs be on? I do not know the answer to that, but maybe someone in the chat can help me with that. If you have $100, buy the dip on Sandbox. Alright, so one shot, staying bullish on that Sandbox. And I heard some of the stream before I got on. I think Matt was saying there's he expects that to keep pumping for the next few days as well. There's some news, I think he was saying, that's coming out on the 29th. Sorry, I missed some of that. I was driving. Matt's Market in the chat, redeeming that FOMO. Panini card manufacturer has the new NBA NFTs. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really into NFTs too much, but I know it's a big market. It's I don't know if any of you guys have DraftKings, just not the gambling app, but just like the regular DraftKings fantasy app. When you click on that, there's actually, you click home, you just open it up, and you click marketplace at the top now. There's a whole NFT marketplace up there. It's wild stuff going for $10, $25, $50,000. At when Mars after. I didn't even see what he said. I don't see when Mars in the chat. Oh, there we go. When Lambo. When Mars, after Mars, then Lambo. Okay. When Litecoin Lambo. I want a Litecoin Lambo. You know what sucks? After a long day at work, you catch a wolf of your own feet. Yeah, it does sound pretty gross. Just reading that kind of grossed me out. Alright, Bitcoin doing a little bit of a dip here under. It's trying to hold this 57.5. Let's bounce off of this and go back to 58. Get some green candles pumping in here. What up? What's the play? Well, I know a lot of people are bullish on that Sandbox, Mana. Those have been pumping. Those Metaverse plays, Gala. I've missed the boat on all of those, but congrats to everyone who is in them. Envu, who I don't think is in here right now, but a couple weeks ago, or I don't know, not that long ago, he shouted out CHZ, or Chili's coin. Not exactly sure the name of it, but yeah, CHZ, and that one is up 20% in the last 24 hours, so that one's starting to pump again. Hey, what's up, Noah B? How you doing tonight? My Litecoin is looking good. I bought 2 more yesterday when I got paid. Hell yeah, my dude, buying that Litecoin. Litecoin, super undervalued in my opinion in the long term. It's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. I actually bought one today myself, Noah. I got one at 209. You know, sandboxes are just an attractant for cats to use for this. Yep. I want to ask you, when you play your options, what do you look for? Yeah, that's a good question. I am by no means an expert or anything in options. So, but my strategy is like it's the same thing you do when you're trying to get a good price on a stock. Is like you wait for a real big dip, like when you see like a 5-10% dip on a stock, like some of those options might be down 40-50%. And if you think that's like a good bottom for the, like if I think it's a close to the bottom for that stock, it's usually when I'll get in on an option. And yeah, like, so if I see something that's down 40-50% and I think the stock's not going to drop too much further, then that's like when I like to get in an option. But if it's something that's like it's down 10% today and it could drop another 5-10% tomorrow, like I'd prefer to just be patient on that. But yeah, I actually bought one option, or I bought 3 calls on this one stock today. I bought call option on this company called Black Sky Technologies. They're like a satellite surveillance AI type company. They've only been listed on NASDAQ for a few months. I bought some calls on them for December today. But yeah, that's like my main strategy, is that I only buy them when like they're in the deep red. I don't try to chase call options when they're in the green. I never buy them when they're in the green. But yeah, I still have some calls for Hut and Bitfarms for December 17th. So hopefully we can have a couple big weeks from Bitcoin coming up. Those mining stocks can start ripping again. Let's check up here. Triforce Protocol. Triforce Protocol. I don't know about that, sorry. That's right, Dogecoin to the moon. People need to know this. Big litter is killing off people that don't realize their kids are playing this. Gross. Did you see Tower? Someone was talking. Yeah, we were a few minutes ago. We just talked about that. Jordan, I don't know if he's still in the chat, but yeah, he brought that up, and we looked it up, and it's up like 77% last I looked. Yeah, great call out on that one. Tower power. I'm trying to go heavy on meta stuff right now, too. It's the wave right now. Yeah, for sure. I just keep feeling like it's been going on like that for a couple weeks, and I keep feeling like I'm gonna buy in, and then that's all that stuff will turn around and drop. But that's just me thinking that way. I don't know. I've been burned too many times. I don't like to buy stuff when it's going up, but a lot of the time it does keep going up. But it feels like whenever I buy them, they just drop after they've been going up for a while. So I've avoided a lot of the meta stuff. I'm scared to mess with those platforms, and I don't even know why. You mean the meta platforms? I need Bitfarms to go on a nice run up. Yeah, me too. I'm still up on Bitfarms, but I have those call options, so want Bitcoin and Bitfarms to start ripping again. That's cool. You're in Bitfarms too, Noah. I didn't know that, or you might have said that before. I just forgot. What price did you get in on that? I missed that one. Yeah, I think we all did. Jordan came in with that great play, and we all missed the tower power play. Loopring's been doing good though. I saw that Loopring's still been ripping. You got to think Meta is the, yeah. Seems to, ever since Facebook announced that Meta change, it's just everything. Oops, I just exited on the chat by accident. Everything's been just all the Meta stuff's been ripping. Why is BNB pumping? I don't have an answer to that. Fortunately, it could be just because the market's turning around. Hey, Gen Matt. Yes, this is Clown Baby. How you doing tonight, Gen Matt? What's BNB Smart Chains? I don't know enough about that to answer you. I'm sorry. If I did, I would, but I just can't answer what I don't know. 730. Nice. Yeah, what's it at now? Forget. I think it was like 770 or something. So you're still up. Yeah, I actually got into Bitfarms when it was like 7 something back in August, I think. And then the week I got into it, they announced a share offering, and so it got sold off. It scared people, and yeah, it just hung around that like $4 or $5 level forever. So I just kept averaging down. I think my average is like 610 or something. But yeah, I knew it was a good stock, so I just kept holding on to it and averaging down. And yeah, I like Bitfarms a lot. I follow them on Twitter and their Instagram. Whoever's running their social media is really good. They update every day with what they're doing. So I like Bitfarms a lot. They have good plans for the future. If you ever watch that movie Ready Player One, then you know what's coming. Yeah, I actually never saw that. I've always wanted to see that movie. I gotta see that soon. But yeah, I've heard it's a lot like what the Metaverse is. And yeah, happy early Thanksgiving to everybody in the chat. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'm not really doing too much. I'll just be hanging out watching football, but it's a fun day for me. Are you buying right now? Yeah, I bought some Graph coin earlier, GRT on Coinbase. I got that at 86 cents. And I bought one more Litecoin earlier. Yeah, and yeah, I haven't bought any more. I haven't added to my positions in any of the mining stocks or anything recently. But I actually, sorry, that's not true. I actually started a new position yesterday. I sold the rest of my Bit Digital shares, BTBT. It's just done nothing for me for like 2-3 months. I got rid of that and I moved that into Clean Spark, CLSK. So yeah, I've been doing a little bit of buying. But yeah, I don't have enough money to go around for all the plays I like. I would definitely like to have gotten into some of these other plays that have been shouted out in the chat. I watched an interview with Gary Vee and the Facebook guy. Anyways, they've been working on a haptics VR AR. Zuckerberg? Is that who you're talking about? Gary Vee. That guy's everywhere. It's all over the internet. Raiders versus Cowboys. that face. Hope both teams lose. Yeah, that game would be better if the Cowboys weren't missing like half their... Feels like they're missing all their wide receivers. That's not as bad as what's the other game? The Texans and Saints, and they're missing... Or no, not the Texans. I'm thinking Texans because of Mark Ingram. What is that game? I'm spacing out right now. Whatever. The Saints are playing somebody, and that game's garbage. But at least there's something on. Oh man. Come on, get some green candles while I'm on here. Nothing but red candles since I came on. That's no fun. Looking at the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin. Let's see. RSI. Stupid low. We're at 24.96 on the RSI and the 5-minute chart. Get a bounce here. Oversold. It's 30 on the 1 minute. Ethereum still, it's moving with Bitcoin a little bit. It's dropping too, but it's still holding up really good. It's at almost 4,300. I wasn't talking foul about the Saints. I just meant that they're missing like half their roster. It seems like half these games tomorrow, and that's who it is, the Saints, because I got Mark Ingram on my fantasy team, and Alvin Kamara's out, and Ingram's half banged up himself. But yeah, and they don't like Michael Thomas is done for the year. And, yeah, so be more fun if that game had some of the stars. It's Kamara on Thanksgiving. Be more fun to watch him. What's your thoughts for tomorrow for like crypto? I'm hoping for a big day tomorrow. I'm hoping that there's not like, hoping the whales aren't evil and gonna crash the market on us on Thanksgiving. Have everybody at their family party staring at their phone watching their cryptos go down. I don't think that'll happen. That won't be fun. So I don't know. I'm expecting a big bounce for crypto in the next week. I think Bitcoin will get back up over 60 and start pushing towards 70 next week. Especially if we're going to have a similar situation to 2017, which the charts look super similar. So hopefully that's the situation. Have a big run up like 2017. Hey, Klon, you know any good jokes? No, not off like the top of my head or anything. Yeah, sorry. I don't have a good one for you. I'm not a dad, so those jokes don't come to me naturally. Yes, Gen Matt, my Litecoin is doing good today. I actually bought another one earlier. So, stacking those coins. Do you have any Litecoin, Gen Matt, or forget if you said you did before. Yeah, you're right. We Saints suck this year, but don't count us out. Yeah, you guys will be back. It's gotta get healthy. What's the word on rev? Is that a, let's look this up. Is that a crypto or a stock? I don't know anything about it. Guessing that's a crypto. I don't see it on here. Are you in that? Are you in rev? It's a clown down. Yeah, Gone Postal's got those dad jokes. No LTC over here. Picked up some more Doge and sheep today. Nice. Yeah, I think Doge will. It's funny how Doge just sort of like lags behind, it doesn't really do much, then all of a sudden it just explodes out of nowhere. So I feel like that'll happen again. Why is this? Sorry, I'm trying to pull up this rev, but my computer is not cooperating. All right, or whatever site this is, TradingView isn't cooperating. It's on KuCoin. Had a pretty good run up. Let's see. No, I don't want to start the 30-day.
Thank you so much for being my friends.
Yeah, it's had a pretty good run up. I don't know much about it, but what's the all-time high of this? That still has a ways to go before it hits the all-time high. So yeah, I don't know. I don't really know anything about that one, but that's cool to keep an eye on that if it's something you're looking to get into. I don't know if anybody else is in the chat that's in on that one. Locked and loaded at all times, my friend. If you don't have any jokes, they call you clown baby because you keep a red nose. So, no, my username comes from the show It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. There's an episode where one of the characters are trying to get him to go into like underground street fighting, and so they give him a fake name, and it's Clown Baby, and their reasoning is that nobody else is gonna bet on a guy named Clown Baby. So yeah, it's just a small reference from one episode of that show. And yeah, it was it's my gamer tag on Xbox, and I made it my username on YouTube as well. It's just been that way for I don't even know how long, 12 years or so, maybe 13 years, something like that, whenever that episode came out. So yep, Clown Baby.
Clown Baby, the #1 champ. What's happening, man?
Not much. The Litecoin Maxi.
The Litecoin freaking Maxi. I heard someone drop a comment earlier. I was just kind of sitting back, relaxing, enjoying the show. But someone was talking about BNB. Why is BNB pumping? Usually when BNB pumps, a lot of money is moving in and out of the exchange. So, you can see pretty good pumps if you sit there and watch the exchange tokens from time to time. Sometimes I actually do that, man. You see where the money's moving in and out. You can watch whale trades on Twitter. A couple different platforms to keep track of kind of where, money's moving. Let me pull that up real quick, kind of see where, what the market's looking like tonight off of whale traders, off of Twitter. Let's see.
That Rev coin that Josh just brought up a few minutes ago, it's been a couple straight green candles ever since he mentioned it.
Cool. I can pull it up here. I think it's on TradingView.
Yeah, I have the free version. I don't have the paid version of TradingView, so the try or 30-day free trial pops up like every 5 minutes.
Yeah, actually, I got the one where you have to pay for it with the buy and sell signals. I was planning on doing like a little, like leaving the charts up for a little while, maybe overnight or something, putting those on there. But I will see how it goes.
Gen Matt says he doesn't have them yet because he's a clown baby. When he's a clown dad, he'll get back to us.
So 9 minutes ago, they had 2 million Bitcoin shorted. Bitcoin shorted 4 million. Probably what led to that price drop right here just now. It fell out pretty good. It's trying to pop back right now, 57,288.
I hope those guys get wrecked.
Yeah, I hope they get set up with a little bear trap right here. Trying to short Bitcoin on before Thanksgiving. What's wrong with you? Yeah, a lot of Bitcoin came in shorted the last 30 minutes. Lots and lots of shorts. Sand got shorted too at 751. Mainly Bitcoin though. Who the hell shorting Solana 20 minutes ago? Like it's all Bitcoin, Bitcoin. You see Sand and then Bitcoin, and Solana. Like, what the hell's wrong with you? But
yeah. Noah says 13 years. You got to change your name to Clown Young Adult. Yeah.
Is that the Rev? 43 cents. Let me see. Make sure I'm looking at the right one.
Yeah.
42.19. What is shown on CoinMarketCap? Yeah, it's like a straight up, man.
Things been pumping.
Yeah. You'll probably get a red candle here shortly, but man, it looks really freaking decent, man. Like if I was looking to get in, I'd probably look around 35, 37. You might see a little pullback here after this big run up. Usually you do. You have these pretty good run ups. Then you see some retracement. This was a pretty massive pump. That was one of the biggest ones of what it looks like as of late. But yeah, you'll probably see some retracement on this thing. And then, you know, might go a little bit higher before then. But definitely cool. I heard people talk about Rev before. I never really got into it, though. Josh, are you holding any, man? Let me know in the chat.
He said he's looking to get in.
Oh, he's looking to get in? I'd wait for a little bit of a pullback, man. That thing's it's pretty high up there. One shot says, I'll tell you safe plays, buy the dips, LOL, whatever coins that have volume coming in high. Any meta play is not over or late to buy, in my opinion. Most gaming coins are going to hit. Absolutely, man. Gaming coins, Crow, Metaverse, they're all hot right now.
What are some gaming coins that you like, One Shot? If you don't mind dropping like 2 or 3 in there.
I can tell you one off the top of my head is Engine. I think that's going to keep doing good for the rest of the year.
Cool, yeah, I've heard of that one. Seen that on the top movers on Coinbase before.
Got someone asking, should I put in Sandbox? Look, I think Sandbox is a go until next week on the 29th when the update happens. I think that's going to be buy the hype, sell news type thing. I think it's a green light until then, man. I would look to maybe buy the dip. Where's Sandbox sitting at right now? $7.62, dude. It does not freaking stop. It is working its way back up to $8 range, man. 100%. So
yeah, my friend Roscoe, who comes in here sometimes, he put 900 into Sandbox, and now it's like 8 or 9K.
Wow, really?
Yeah, he got it in super cheap.
Wow, dude, that's freaking awesome.
Another one he's been telling me about is a RNDR. I honestly haven't even looked it up yet, but he's told me about it a few times.
RNDR
token. Yeah, he said that's another Metaverse play, I think.
Let me see. Let me see.
It hit a high a few days ago, or no, a while back.
They're talking about the Metaverse launch for Sand, which is on the 29th, my man. Another one I'm looking at too right now, Clown Baby, is Gala. I missed it, but I think Gala still has some room to run for the next week or two.
Yeah, I see that. It's the top mover on Coinbase right now. 30%.
Yeah, you might see a little pullback between then. If I can get a pullback day where maybe it's down 10%, 5-10%, I might look to add some in. Right now it's kind of risky. I do think it'll go up, but it's a little bit more risky because you do see retracement on Gala after pretty good run-ups. I think it had a 30% down the other day. It got back to around 37 cents. And that was actually the buying opportunity. I was probably looking for, but I didn't hop on it, man. Just because you can't play every one, We're into a bunch of them over here.
Yeah,
it's hard to play them all, man.
That's why I've missed out on a lot of these crypto plays because I've been putting money into the crypto mining stocks. I feel like it's just something I have a better grip on. So I've just been loading up on those, trying to make some money with those. But I still have some crypto plays, like Litecoin and Bitcoin and Doge and Graph.
So Crow's seeing a little bit of sell-off right here. I see Jim Matt asking about it. It's currently at 84 cents right here. You might hit a double bottom at 82, and then you might take off again. So if you drop below that, I think you'll start seeing maybe 78 again. But looking for that $1. Hopefully that wasn't the top for late. So
Gunpostal says my favorite gaming coin in the late 80s was called a quarter, but I am totally serial. It's being super serial.
Yeah, hey, one shot's on that Phantom, man. FTM, I bought some at 180.
I do what I want.
I bought some Phantom at 180, and it's sitting pretty nice, man. You can swing trade it with a 2-day hold. Looks like it's going to hit $3 to $4 soon if volume keeps coming in. Let me see where the volume's at on Phantom today.
Josh got in on that Gala. He FOMO'd in.
Trading volume on Phantoms up 12% today, 11%. Dude, it's doing great. It's doing freaking great. I'm happy I bought in, dude. I'm up quite a bit on it already, so I'm happy with it, man.
Yeah, that CHZ that Envu brought to the chat too. That one's doing really good the last 24 hours.
Yeah, 100%.
20%.
Josh says, what dip next week? So I'm thinking that update off of Sandbox is going to be by the Hype Seller News, man. But I think you'll be looking at much higher Sandbox. I think you'll be somewhere between $9 and $10 by the time the update happens. And then, you could see some type of, decent size retracement off that thing. Because, it's been going up nonstop. And nothing goes up nonstop. It's going to have a stopping point. It's going to retrace, try to find support.
Forgot.
So,
I found this little article like 2 days ago. I forgot I wanted to bring it up tonight. It's just it's according to, it's like I don't quite understand it, but it's this like chart system called the Puell Puell multiple. Says Bitcoin miners don't want to sell at this level, and it's like a little short article that was on bitcoinist.com, and it just basically talks about how the mining stocks right now, the mining companies, don't want to sell Bitcoin at this price. They think it's too cheap, so they don't want to sell it to the exchanges like Coinbase and KuCoin and all them for this price. So that could be a factor that helps drive the price up as well.
Yeah, I read the same article, man. They're not selling it this cheap. It could cause a little demand for it, man.
Yeah, at the end of the article it says, however, if the PUL multiple is anything to go by, the coin may not have yet formed a top and could still have potential to grow before a real peak. So, I think that's what we're all thinking anyways.
Josh FOMO'd into Gala. You think it's like Solana did?
Do you see XYO? Let's see.
Yeah, Solana, man, it's getting back in super cheap, man. 208. It is up a little bit today, but
yeah, wasn't it like 240 or 250 a couple weeks ago?
man, almost hit $300, man.
Wow. Yeah, it's crazy how Solana and Litecoin are around the same price point right now.
259, 260. It got up there.
Are you in James 008? Are you in XYO? Looking at it right now, it says it's down 5% the last day, so could be a good time to get in.
Yeah, that could be a dip, especially if we have a pretty green day tomorrow. I've been wanting to get into XYO for quite some time, man, and I haven't done it yet. It hit the low 5-cent range today. It was at 4 cents on the 18th. It ran up to almost 7 cents and kind of had some pullback, but chart looks pretty freaking decent, man.
Those are some I think one shots. Those are some gaming plays, gaming coins he's talking about. See Swar on KuCoin and Wax P on KuCoin, mid plays for 2.
I heard of Wax P before. Let me see.
Holding a nice bag of XY. One of my top coins. Nice. Psycho Pearl.
Dude, Wax P's chart is beautiful, man. Is up almost 20% today. Like, it looked like it got listed in 18, hopped out the gate to 250, and it is absolutely coming up pretty good right now. So that's Wax P, guys. That might be a pretty good play coming up. CWAR. Let me check that out. Wow, that thing's up 37% today, $3.19. That chart looks beautiful as well. That is at an all-time high.
Can you hear that noise when I'm flipping up my microphone? Can you hear that?
Nah, I didn't hear anything.
Okay.
I got the music playing over here though, so I didn't hear anything.
I was coughing, so I wanted to mute myself, but I wasn't sure if that was making a noise when I popped that thing up to mute myself.
Pearl says, I'm holding a nice bag of XYO, one of my top freaking coins. That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm looking to get in some XYO. And I see Paris, Russo, how you doing, man? Are they meta-eruptive? I'm not sure what that comment means, man, but welcome to Mass Market, my dude. You know, hit that subscribe button. Nah, man. Welcome to the channel, man.
Either, but maybe. Possible.
They might be, a little bit.
But yeah, it's pretty cool that I got the Coinbase debit card now, because all my Christmas shopping I'm gonna do over the next weekend, I'm gonna be getting 4% back in GRT, so I'm excited.
So did you actually make your first purchase with it yet, or what?
Oh yeah, I've been using it all week.
Awesome, man.
Been buying groceries and gas, all that stuff.
I'm telling you, man, you'll start buying everything with that thing.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
You can take that XLM. You picked the 4% XLM, right?
No, I did 4% Graph GRT. They actually added another one too. You can get 4% back in AMP now.
Nice, man. AMP went on a pretty good pump the other day. So if someone was, they got listed on a major exchange. So if anybody was redeeming that AMP off that Coinbase card, good play. Well over 4%.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, damn, I should have been getting AMP back. I'm a bozo over here getting GRT. It's
Nola
dropping every day.
Nola Tien says, Matt, I had I know you had plans to watch Ready Player One a few streams ago. What did you think? Nola Tien, I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I did not watch it. It is still on my stuff to do list, man. It is. It's kind of hard for me to take a couple
I've never
hours.
seen that movie either. I gotta see that too.
Dude, everybody's been telling me I need to watch it. I need to freaking watch it. I just haven't sat down and made the time to do it. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Maybe tomorrow night I might look to sit down and watch it.
Yeah, I remember when that first came out, I wanted to see it too. I was like, that looks pretty cool. I don't know. I never got around to seeing it.
See this real quick.
16,000 coins bought back in July. Nice. I don't even know what the price was back in July, but I'm gonna assume it was pretty cheap. I remember all of crypto was cheap in July.
Yeah, July was on a pretty big dump then.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh wow. Yeah, you're sitting good. This thing was less than a penny in July. Now it's 5 cents.
That is a pretty big return, my friend.
So what are your plans for tomorrow? You going anywhere for Thanksgiving, or is it going on at your house, or what's the deal?
I'm staying home, and whoever wants to show up to eat some food can show up. That's my plans. I'm gonna wake up pretty early in the morning. I'm gonna start cooking and getting my stuff out the way. That way, tomorrow afternoon, after everything's cooked, by the time I eat and sit down and chill out, I'm not gonna have anything else to do for the day. So, might even try to pop on that Ready Player One.
Yeah.
But I'm looking forward to tomorrow, man. That's one of my favorite holidays, just because of the good food. But yeah, I'm just hanging out at the house, man. What you got going on tomorrow?
Not much. Just I'm gonna be tuning in to MIA and Nunya's football show tomorrow, and watching Birdie and MIA early in the morning too. I'm not really doing much at all tomorrow, so yeah, my family's on the other side of the country, so just hanging out watching football, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Just relaxing.
Hell yeah. Josh says I need to transfer my ETH so I can get them. Yeah, quite possibly, I will be in a food coma after I eat and take a big nap. That's probably what's about to happen.
Are you you're in charge of cooking the turkey?
Actually, I'm not doing the whole turkey bit. My father-in-law is cooking the turkey. I'm doing the ham and a bunch of the sides. So he's throwing down the turkey for us. He's gonna bring it over by the time we're ready to eat. So, nope, I do not have to cook the turkey.
Nice. Yeah, no joke. My Thanksgiving dinner that I'm gonna get is I'm gonna go to Jack in the Box. I don't want to do any cooking, and yeah, they got good curly fries. So I don't really ever eat that stuff too much. So I'm gonna go get some curly fries.
Hell yeah. Nola says I traded a majority of my anchor for Gala earlier. I've been building my anchor bag since last year. Yeah, it's not a bad move, man. Better move it around than have it just sit there right now, because anchor's not doing too much. I think anchor's a good long-term hold, but it's just really not doing much right now, man. Really not doing too much.
I got a free. I had already done the other $3 of anchor, but they have another just question that you can answer for an extra $1 of anchor on Coinbase right now. Saw that earlier today.
They doubling down on their anchor, man. I'll go get some more.
Yeah, I did it, and then I just converted it to Graph. try to
Why
grow
you?
that graph
I gotta
wallet.
ask you, man. What's up with Graph? Like, why are you so bullish on it?
It's honestly, I'm biased towards it because when I first bought it, it was like, I don't even remember, it was like 30 cents or something, because I did the test for it and it went from like 10 cents to 30 cents, and I was just new, so I was just like, this thing's gonna keep going up, and I bought it, and it did go up. It went up to like 50 cents or something, but then it dropped, and it was just like all through January it was like it did nothing. So this is like my first crypto I ever bought, and then it went up like 4 or 5x. I got like a 400 or 500% on it. Went up to like 280 something, and I sold it like near the top. So I was just like, I don't know, that one GRT like got me into crypto, so that's why I like that one. Plus the project is backed by Coinbase, so I think that helps a lot.
I got you. So it was kind of your first real crypto play. You hopped in it, made some pretty good money, and now you're like, it's just kind of sentimental to you, huh?
Exactly. Yeah.
Nah, man, nothing wrong with that, man.
I think it's a decent project too. Like my friend Roscoe, he calls it trash. He doesn't like Graph, but it's all right. Gonna have his opinion. I think plus I think it has a lot of room to run. Like the previous all-time high was 287. It's at 87 cents right now. Just has a lot of room to go up. And the project's only been around for a year, so.
Yeah, I've been looking. I've been wanting to add some Graph. I do need to pick me up some.
Yeah, I just bought 100 more of it today at 86 cents. So not much, but something. And yeah, Shiba. Man, I feel bad for people who've been bought towards the top of that one. Hopefully that can turn around soon.
Yeah, that 3.5. I missed that earlier today, man. I saw it dip to 3.8, and I was like, "Ooh, it looks like a pretty good little dip buy." But I never bought any. Went to 3.5. Trying to work its way back. Hopefully the market's green tomorrow into Friday, man.
Yeah.
I want to see. I want to see what happens with Black Friday. Like, are people gonna start taking some profits out the market to go Black Friday shopping? I don't know.
Yeah, because I'm not doing that.
Nah, me
I
either.
keep that money separate.
Yeah, me either.
But I'm sure some people will do that, but I don't think it'll be like a major sell-off if I had to guess. I actually think on Friday, because the stock market has been pretty weak, I feel like Friday should be a pretty good green day for the stock market. Like the second half of today was better.
It's gonna be interesting, man. Having that little 1 day off in between and then coming back hot. Let's see what happens on Friday, man.
And it's just like a half day on Friday. I think it closes at 1 p.m. Eastern.
That's gonna be really freaking interesting, man, to see what happens.
Yeah, and we're at like the end of the year when crypto's supposed to be going, like, doing its thing. So it should be gonna be an interesting week to see which direction we're going.
I really wish freaking Doge would start flipping around right here, man. 2177. It's just sideways and a bit of a downtrend, man.
Yeah. I was saying, I don't know if you heard me when it was just me on, I was saying, I think you know this too, obviously, but Doge will just like lag behind, and then out of nowhere it'll just rip. So I feel like it's just gonna do that again.
Yeah, we're just waiting on it, man. And everybody has to admit, dude, the market's so much funner when Doge is ripping.
Yeah, and we still have catalysts for Doge too, like the rocket launch. There's going to be updates to Doge as well, and you never know. I mean, imagine if Elon comes out and says we're accepting Bitcoin and Doge from that poll he did way back when. So that would be huge.
Yeah, dude. I mean, that's kind of what everybody's waiting for, man. That's mainly what I'm waiting for with the Doge. You know, I want to be definitely in as much as possible by the time that comes around, because like once the news breaks, I think he'll break it like he did on Twitter and just kind of let it go. and then it's gonna break the internet. You know,
It sucked
Kinda
when
what I'm-
when that crash happened, and then he put up that poll like the next day or 2 days, whatever it was, because it made me just keep thinking. I'm like, oh man, Tesla's gonna start accepting Doge like next week or like next month. Like I just kept waiting for it, and now it's just gone by so long. It's like, all right, well, when are you gonna do that, if ever?
Yep. You just never know, man. And you know, hopefully it's this year, man. You know, if he does it Q1 next year, cool. But I'm still hoping for this year.
Yeah. Yep. Be interesting to see if Plan B's prediction still plays out. Like you said, he's just off by a couple of weeks. So I think that's what we're all hoping for.
Yeah, it'd have to pump pretty good for him to be right as of right now. Which, you know, the week.
Yeah, if it goes to 98,000 next week, he's a legend.
Hey, yeah, I mean, we repeat 2017. It pumped from 8 to 20 the week after Thanksgiving. You know, was that 12,000? That put us right back around 69,000 at the all-time high. So you never know. Maybe
GRT is going to hit nice off BTC, and same as H bar, fellas. All right, so one shot likes that GRT.
yeah, H bar is kind of like ADA from what I'm gathering. So
Hut had a kind of a down day today, but then when things started coming up, it was up 1.84 in the after hours, so trying to push back over that $13. It's at $12.75. Yeah,
that was good to see Hut try to come back, man.
Yeah. It's just been, at least it's held up. It dipped real quick under 12, but at least it's held and consolidated in this $12 level. Like it's been there almost the whole week.
What's up, KC? How you doing, man?
I got some $15 calls on December 17th for Hut, so I think those will still be good.
Hey, man, I'm rooting for you. I hope they hit for you.
It was $16 like a week ago, so
I think you still got some time for it too, man.
It sucked. What I had to do was I had some call options on Bit Digital for next Friday, and yeah, I took the L on those. I took what little money I had left of those, and I put those into one more Hut call option for December 17th. So hopefully I can get back some of that money.
Yeah, hopefully so, man. I'm rooting for you.
But
hopefully, you know,
it's funny.
The good thing.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
I was just gonna say the funny thing is though, because that was profits that I had made from other call options, but then I lost those profits, putting them into other ones. So, yeah.
No, it's all good, man. The good thing you got going for you though is you got December 17th, and you know if December is super good to Bitcoin, it's gonna be good for them crypto mining stocks. So you still got a little time, man. I know that theta is kind of decaying on you, but dude, I think you still got some enough time to make some pretty good tendies off of that, man. If Bitcoin really starts to rip up.
Yeah, hopefully big week next week, and I can just get rid of them. That'd be ideal.
One shot says just buy the effing dips on Doge. Doge is going to rip till Bitcoin does its thing. My opinion, yeah, I think Bitcoin's gonna really start to move, man, and Doge will follow after this next rip up. I mean, 2180, dude. It just, you know, it's up 0.23% on the day at 2180. So Doge is still super cheap right now, man.
Litecoin's holding up good too.
Yeah, I see it right here at 218, still up 2%. The market's kind of getting shorted down right now, so that's why we're seeing some retracements off the prices.
I'm just glad Litecoin didn't go back to like the 170s this week.
Yeah.
So a lot of
I mean,
times when
it's sat
Bitcoin
there for a while,
drops-
man.
Yeah, yeah. Like a lot of time when Bitcoin drops, it's like, oh, Litecoin's back in the 170s again. It's like, come on, man, get past there.
But I tell you what, man, if you were loading the boat on Litecoin around 170, like you're sitting pretty nice right there, man. Pretty freaking nice.
Yeah, I have my average for the ones I have on Robinhood is still 136. So it's been good on my Litecoin on Robinhood. And it's around the same price. It's like probably 150 on Coinbase.
About to redeem some effing Bitcoin. It needs to start moving, man. 57,273 right here. Pop back tonight.
Yeah, I like that Bitcoin redeem.
Yeah, I gotta make some more. I'm gonna try to make some personalized ones.
My cooler stock was having a rough day. It was down like, what did it hit? Hit like 281 at one point, but then it bounced up and it finished off in the after hours at 294. So not bad. They've sort of sold off since they had earnings a week or two ago, but at least it's held strong in this 290 area.
Where you picked it up at?
205.
Oh, you still sitting tight, man.
Yeah. That's a long-term hold for me too. Like, yeah, they've only been listed on the Nasdaq since the summer. Their market cap is still only 287 million, so tons of room to grow.
Looks like Bitcoin is trying to get shorted back down again, man. Let me check well trades.
That's not going to be fun for crypto traders tomorrow if their Bitcoin's dipping while they're at Thanksgiving dinner.
And sad thing is, probably the whales will be hanging out just playing with it, man.
Yeah, I hope not. I hope they pump it tomorrow, make everybody happy.
Yeah, I hope so too, man. Let me see, whale traders. 55 seconds, Solana got shorted, Litecoin shorted, Ethereum shorted. Yeah, so the shorts are out tonight, man. Full force. Full friggin' force.
Well, that's no fun. I don't like those guys.
Yeah, I don't like it either, man. I really don't. Let me see this real quick. Well, what time you waking up tomorrow, man?
I don't know. I'm usually up pretty early, so I don't know. I might sleep in a little bit, but yeah, I don't know. Probably 6 a.m. ish my time, 7 a.m. Might sleep in a little.
I got you. Well, I think I'm gonna look to head out of here in a few minutes, man. It's pretty flat on the markets tonight, and you know what happens when I hop off the mic? Everything starts going up. So
Yeah, let's
might
get
try
this
to
thing pumping.
do everybody a favor, man, and get the market pumping over here. So,
You
but
hear that, charts? Matt's going to bed.
yeah, time to buy. It's a buying opportunity right now, across the board. So,
What's up,
Well,
KC?
yeah, that's my dude there. He's OG over here, man. He's been around since the beginning.
That's awesome.
Yep, Josh. Hey, you have a good one too, man.
See you next
Oh,
time, Josh.
Yep. Hey, everybody. I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. Hopefully, crypto does this thing. We all have a good day tomorrow. Regardless of what crypto does, I'm gonna have a good day. Just hopefully we'll be reporting on some much higher crypto prices. I think Bulldog has a little something going on at his channel tomorrow, so I'm gonna be probably over there for a little while. So if y'all want to catch me at Bulldog Trading. I'll see how the day goes tomorrow. If we'll do a live stream tomorrow night, we'll see what's going on. But Clown Baby, man, I really appreciate it, man. Coming up tonight, you know, repping the mass market,
thanks for
man.
having me on.
Nah, anytime, man. You're always welcome, dude. Thank you for being part of the community. I really do appreciate it, man. It's a little weird sitting back watching someone else host the show, but it's definitely entertaining, man. And I really appreciate you coming up and doing that, man. So we'll keep growing this thing and keep building it, man.
Cool, sounds good. And yeah, thanks everybody in the chat. Thanks for tuning in. And like Matt said, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Yep, 100%. So much love, everybody. Best of luck in your trades. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll